Good morning, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. Yes, today is Thanksgiving, and we sure do have a lot to be thankful for. As always, thankful for my family, my friends, my health, my work, and this year we get to add YouTube to the mix. So yesterday was my 10-month anniversary since starting the channel, and it's been pretty crazy. So last night I was actually going through looking at some of the first videos, and oh my god, they're terrible. Not that these ones are really any better, but definitely grown a little bit since the beginning. So hopefully we can continue to improve and make things a little better, a little more entertaining. This next year coming up, I'm going to try to do a lot less of this, where I do talking at the beginning. I can see where my engagement, like people watch the first couple minutes of the video and then it just falls off. So I want to try to keep you engaged in the video, have fun, do some funny stuff, and get you to watch the whole thing, because there's a lot of good stuff that happens throughout the whole video. But anyway, the point of this one, I have to do a little intro for this one because I really don't have anything to start this so you understand what's going on. But last weekend I had the privilege of being invited to the 9th annual Coastal Virginia Auto Show down at the Convention Center in Virginia Beach. That place is huge. It's like 529,000 square feet of exhibition space. And it's just unreal, the amount of cars and people and vendors in there. So I volunteered to help set up this year. So we got there Thursday morning at 5:45, and we worked all day Thursday and Friday getting everybody loaded in and set up. The show was Friday night, all day Saturday, and all day Sunday. And then Sunday we had the loadout. So everybody had to get their cars out and get the vendors packed up and out. So it was a lot of work. And my intent of this video, or the ones that you're about to see, was to try to capture that behind the scenes of the making of it and how it works. But I honestly just didn't even get a chance to video so much of it because I was so busy doing so many other things. But anyway, I do want to put this together. It might be kind of blocky at points, but at least you might kind of get an idea of what goes on behind the scenes for it. So with that being said, I do want to say thank you to everyone at Sinclair Communications. Jeanette, you do an amazing job every year putting on the show. Mark Evans, John Herbert, Mike from Hall A, Tracy on the golf cart outside, Eric, Bobby, and Darren for helping me in pre-function. Just so many people that are involved in this. You really can't even thank everybody. And everybody is always so friendly and helpful. It's awesome. And then my buddies Ricky, Brian, and Caleb for bringing your tractors out Saturday for the outdoor show. It was amazing. And please watch this till the end. At the end of this video, there's going to be a little photo montage of my friends, family, co-workers, neighbors, anybody that came by to visit and check out the tractor at the show. I really do appreciate the support. I know there's a whole bunch of you that I didn't get to see just because of doing other things, but I do appreciate you going as well. I even had Marvin, the guy who runs the machine shop, for putting the holes in the pads. He came in to check it out. He had a car in the outdoor show, so it's just cool to see everybody come together and get the support. It really does mean a lot, so I do appreciate it, and I'm also thankful for that. So hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Hey everybody, welcome back to Rusty Wrench Restorations down here at the Virginia Beach Convention Center in the pre-function area, or the lobby. And been here since 5:45 this morning, and we are here to get everything mapped out. So flip this around, you can see we've got names of spots, everything's marked out. We've got maps of where everybody's got to go, and it's a huge building. I mean, all the way down. So I think there's 33 vendor spots out here. So we're just marking off with blue tape, 10 by 10, 20 by 20, 10 by 20, 30 by 60, that kind of stuff. So we'll know where to put everybody when they start coming in. So I think we've got about 2 hours until they start loading in. Sorry, sun's blaring in my eyes. But yeah, so this is Thursday. Thursday and Friday is their load-in days. Friday night, tomorrow, actually start showing some stuff. So anyway, I gotta keep measuring out here, but I'll give you an update here in a little bit. The calm before the storm. This place is huge. So Virginia Beach Convention Center, there's 4 halls, so A, B, C, and D. That's Eric. Yeah, so they opened the whole thing up, and you can see out here they had to do the same thing, taping off who's in what spot, the whole thing. So everybody was in here this morning with rolling chairs and creepers and getting everything taped. So getting banners up now, and cars and trucks and stuff will start coming in about an hour. All right, I came down here in a corner just to hopefully give you a little more scale of how big this place is.
Hey, just a heads up to the team. This is John.
And it has begun. Starting to get some
hey, Michael, John.
trucks and trailers in here.
Sir.
And making it happen. All right, it's 11:30 in the morning. Got a lot more people loaded in. It's definitely a process. So yeah, we're getting there. Day and a half left. Oh yeah, spot A66. Look at this. Got me a good spot right next to. Got Pungo Off-Road's gonna be here with their trucks. Got I think Lawyer's Garage goes in here with all their custom cars. They got movie cars. Got a good spot. Can't wait to get it in here. All right, back to pre-function to load in. Well, it's the end of Thursday, day 1 of 2 for the load in. It's probably about 50% of the stuff put in. Got some cool stuff here. New C8 Corvette. These are all the Lawyer's Garage stuff. They've got some really cool, just neat things. Hillbilly Deluxe. That's funny. And then, yeah. Here's where the crawler's going to go tomorrow, right here in this spot here. So, pretty good. You got a nice open spot on each side, Pungo Off-Road, and kind of centered up. So.
Hey, no worries. When your two traders get here for 834 and 835, Jeff Berry.
5-ton Fred. That thing is awesome. They've always got the coolest things. Anyway, yeah. Boom, right there. Crawler tomorrow. All right. So, load in day 1 is done. Now it's my turn. It rained last night, so I wasn't able to get the crawler loaded. So it's Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening. Get the 430 loaded up. We'll bring it in the morning. And hopefully at some point during the day I'll get a little break and we'll get it loaded into the convention center. So let's load her up. Day 2, loading still going on, but as you can see, the hull's filling up quick. So still lots of moving parts. They do it really smart. They load in from this side and out so that you're not having to squeeze vehicles in between, which is awesome. So go down here and take a peek, see at the crawler real quick. It's right on yonder. Yeah, unfortunately I wasn't able to get video of the loading in from the back and up the ramp into the dock and everything, but here she is. So do a quick little wipe down and get my signs up. But I don't know, it's pretty cool to see it in here, you know. You spend a lot of time you know, working on this thing and getting it cleaned up, so it's kind of nice to have it in an event like this. I mean, I don't know, I guess normally I'd say I feel out of place, but I think it deserves to be in here, you know. It's pretty sweet. I mean, it ain't no 70 Chevelle SS or 67 Camaro or 64.5 Mustang, but I think she holds her own. So get her cleaned up, set up, and go finish doing my volunteer work out front. Alrighty, there she is, all set up for the show. Good to go. Got some stickers out here, information sheet, new sign with the QR code to the channel. Let's see what happens. Pretty neat little wheel horse here. Like a mini monster truck. Pretty cool. Never seen anything like that. This one here is another YouTuber. It's under Abby Normal Garage. Pretty cool. Love unique stuff. Good morning, welcome back to Rusty Wrench Restoration. So today's Saturday. It's the biggest day of this event. They got the indoor show from it's like 10 to 7 I think tonight, and then the outdoor shows from 10 to 4. So all the inside stuff that you would see every day, plus the outside stuff. So today's the first day. Most people are going to see the crawler, and yeah, awesome event put on by some great people. All right, well, here she is, ready for the day. Got all my sticker advertising with the QR codes for the channel, the sign, my voting numbers. Good to go. All right, let's see what the day brings. Alright, here we are, outdoor show. Got everything from tractors to Porsche and Lamborghini. So, something for everybody. Beautiful day out. A little windy, probably hard to hear me. But cars, trucks, tractors, music, food, and good people. And that's down at the ocean front in Virginia Beach. All right, quick video real quick. They got the music off, but at the end of Saturday, day 2, busy day. Got about an hour left of the show, but I'm gonna head home. I am beat. So I'll be back tomorrow, Sunday, last day, and get this girl loaded out tomorrow night. All right, here we are, last day of the Coastal Virginia Auto Show. Everybody's pretty much loading out. I didn't get as much video as I wanted. It's been pretty crazy. But yeah. Got the crawler loaded up, ready to go. Had a good time, good weekend, had a lot of fun. And first show, success, awesome stuff. So anyway, I know it wasn't really an exciting video, wasn't a whole lot going on, just kind of like load in, load out, but that's it, finished project. Hope you enjoyed, have a good weekend, peace. Alright, well that's all the videos from the Coastal Virginia Auto Show. Please stand by for the quick little montage of all the photos of friends, family, neighbors, and coworkers that came out to support. I do appreciate you. Again, happy Thanksgiving. Peace.